Hello viewers, today we will be going to learn how to make paper penguin in terracotta style, and for this we will be required a full length A4 size paper with 7 centimeters breadth. Now this will be rolling out this paper and to make this part of belly. Now for the head we need to take 21 centimeters length of a paper, black sheet, and with a 6 centimeters breadth. Again we will need to roll out this paper to make the part of head. Six by 6 piece of paper centimeter, and let us roll this part of paper so that we can make the leg part. Very easy to make, very simple. You need to make a pair of roll of paper. Now when it finishes, it will become like this. Now let us join together. For wings, you can take approximately 4.5 centimeters breadth of a black sheet of paper with length of 11 centimeters. Now just see how I'm cutting. You can cut it directly. You can see this is a fold of a paper so that you can get a pair of symmetric form of wing. Next will be the beak, and for the beak you can see it is around 2.5 centimeters with a length of 5 centimeters. The whole project is finished now. You can see eyes, beak, wings and everything, and the part of legs. It's very easy. Please do it at your home and do us a comment and wait for a new artwork. Thank you from now.